And the race is on. Pay to see Domek rushing up to grab the lead. Domek followed by Let's Reconcile. Conquista Boy down on the inside rushing up by Darrell is Real Thunder. Pay to see alongside running 6th position. Bad Boy. Lady Sorrow racing 7th position. Winking Eye Okidoki. And My Chic is the retrainer Domek Conquista Boy. And running in the middle, Real Thunder rushing up is Pay to See. Let's Reconcile. Bad Boy is racing from the outside, taking the third spot. Rounding the far turn, Domek, number 8, Bad Boy, is racing from the outside, 8A, Pay to See, Conquista Boy rushing up is Lady Sorrow, Let's Reconcile, Real Thunder, Winky Eye, Okidoki, and My Chic, as they race the final corner, Domek, Bad Boy is now the leader, Domek down on the inside, Okidoki, Pay to See Conquista Boy. And nearing the finish line, Bad Boy, this time by some 4 lengths now, Domek in second. And finally, the icebreaker, Bad Boy. Domek, Lady Sorrow, 8A, Pay to See, Winking Eye. And for your Fantafecta, number 5, Okidoki.